Hey guys, it's another Gregory Franco video here today. I decided to take a little bit of a step back from the gmod spooky map for now. Don't worry, I'm not gonna like abandon it or anything. I just feel like we should throw a curveball. Gmod's a sandbox game and we're not like a ghost hunting game, so I've loaded up into a map. But GM Big City, I guess I don't have some textures because they're just checkered or something like that. But I've decided to why don't we like light off fireworks and stuff? So for the first one, because we're gonna do like a little here. Let me just look it up. Is there like a entities? All right, let's start with the G fireworks. First one we got is oh, we have a lot of these. Okay. First one we got is the bunch of crackers. It is just a bunch of crackers. Really, like. Oh shoot. Oh, that's pretty cool. They just kind of like do stuff. That's pretty cool. All right, so that was the bunch of crackers. Now we have circus alarm. Yeah, no, thank you. Now we have the Half-Life 3 rocket. I'm not sure how this is gonna really. Pretty cool. Now we're on to the. Now we are onto the batteries. Starting off, we have the Cold War. Oh, we'll just like light this off, like kind of like. Is that JFK and Stalin? Wait a minute. What does this say on it though? Instructions. What is that? You should have equated a full area less than 30 meters. Point firework up and ignite fuse. Okay. This is the Cold War. That's pretty cool. Still going off. Is it gonna? I'm just gonna drop it. Well, that was the Cold War. Pretty nice firework. We now have the Dancing Dragon. Is there any like cool things on it? Looks to be mostly in Chinese, and I can't read. Besides this little portion right here. For outdoor use, only avoid overhead obstructions. Do not point this at another guy's house or person who you really hate. Warning fillable with resort reports. Shot shells. Careful. Okay. This is the Dancing Dragon. Oh no! Oh, that would have been bad. Is that it? That was a bit of a oh. This is actually really nice. I mean, I know this is. I know. As a side note, I know it's not even like the July. I know it's like August, but like that firework is kind of weak, bro. I thought for like a thing called the Dancing Dragon, it would have more in it, but guess not. Next up, we have Show Trek. I think it's like a Star Trek thing. Yep. A thimble, 16 shots. Oh, that's pretty cool. This is actually really. I'm surprised. I got this like hand picked. I was bored and I was looking through mods, but like this is actually really good. I liked it a lot. This is actually quite nice. Is that it? Well, that was Show Trek. And then you can go down with the other ones. Now we have Stairways to Heaven. As a little thing right here. Open field firework battery. Do not hold. It's in yellow, so it's kind of hard to see. Attach securely through holes. Straight. I have no idea what that says. It's kind of hard to read it, but looks pretty cool, honestly. Stairway to Heaven. Oh shoot. Is that it? That's weak. Last one we have Wayward. Wait, what? Wayward Palm. Sorry, I had a stroke reading that. This says, no. Gary's Fireworks. Oh, this one looks like it's gonna be good. Is this a fountain? Oh, it's not a fountain. What's going on with the moon? Anyway. Bong. Alright, that was all of the, batteries. Now we're onto the firecrackers. Okay, well, we had one here. Pretty cool. Now we have just the cracker itself. Just a single one. Pretty cool. Now we have a box of them. You know, it's kind of cool. Ow! Oh! Oh! Oh god. I need health. Okay, there we go. Not like I can quit moaning like a loser. Can I like hit him and they activate? Oh, like that's pretty funny. You just smack them and they activate. Alright. Now we have the M80, which looks really hefty. Oh, the fuse even goes down. That's really cool. What'd that even do? Oh! I'm not sure what these do. I'm just gonna put a bunch of them and hope it does something. Or not. I mean, that was kind of disappointing, I guess. You know, just, you know. Now we have the flares. Oh, that's pretty cool looking. Even like glows. How far can you even see it? Thank you. Thank you. Oh wow, it actually shines pretty well. Checkered thing is giving me like a fucking optical illusion, I tell you. Alright, well, that was that, honestly. That was pretty cool. Oh. Alright, now we have the blue, another blue one. Oh, that's pretty bright, actually. How far can you see that one? Oh, oh. Oh, you can actually, hold on, is there like any dark areas inside the map? I wanna, here, let's do a little detour real quick. You can see it through walls. Um, this looks like a pretty alright area. Alright, we're gonna move the situation. We're gonna be up here now. You can really see all the checkered buildings that we've gone through. Now we have a yellow flare. It is indeed a yellow flare. Then we have the green ones. You know, these are kind of just like flares. Put it simply, like there's nothing really special about them besides the color. Can I like activate all these with one like one one of these? Oh, I'm on fire! Oh, and ah! Dude, that actually got me low. What the heck? I don't know why that got me low. Is there like a thing for shield or like armor? Armor? Suit. Battery, please. What is that? Okay, let me get some suit on because it looks like it actually hurts a lot. There we go. Alright, now let's continue. The flares are pretty self-explanatory. Now, let's go to the fountains, because the fountains are where it's at. We have the blue goblin fountain. Here we go. Okay. Spitting out like some little sparkles. Looking pretty good so far. I like how the actual like lights, like the particles look really good on it. I even like the little like spurts of the even the little spurts of the white little particles are pretty good. So that's it. Oh, it just despawns, alright. Now we have the dragon fire fountain. See if there's anything different here. Ooh, you can at least like there's like smoke and stuff. Well, there probably was smoke for the other one, but I didn't see it very well. It looks like it's kind of like the similar thing, but just like red. But it still looks pretty good. The lighting is also pretty good too, honestly. And that was that one. Next up, we have the fairy glitter. It's a cone. Oh, that's like a strobe. Okay. If you suffer from epilepsy, I guess, yeah, that sucked, actually. What a disappointment. Now we have the green fire fountain. Alright. Ooh. Okay, that looks really good, actually. I like it a lot. The green looks really nice, like, it doesn't even look like fire, it just looks like it's like toxic waste almost. That's what I'm getting from it. It looks pretty cool though, honestly. Overall, these have been kind of some sleepers, but nothing really big. Alright, seizure warning again. This may be another, like, strobe. That's not bad. Not a big fan of it, honestly. Does produce some light. So.
I'm hurt.
What? I stopped. I stopped the fall. Suck it up, man. Oh, this pack or this thing that's happening to me came along after I found a really good mod, but it had this inside of it. So I'm a little bit bummed out, but I'm not complaining too much. Now for the next one, we have the well, actually, I'll just light like a couple of them, like all at the same time. Alright, we have that one, which is the Midnight Magic. Then we have Radioactive Burst. And then we have Riglius Brilliance, or whatever. Oh, that one sounds kind of different. Overall, these are pretty good. Now we're moving on to the mosaic items. Alright, now that we can move on. What is this? I have a copy of Half-Life 3. Oh, what did it do? What? A fracture? Bruh. All I did was use Half-Life 3. Here, let's use Half-Life 3 again to kill me.
I'm hurt.
I need a kill. I need to be killed. Blow me up. There we go. Okay. Where was I? Let's just continue on top of this building. Alright. Now we have a Chinese candle. I'm not sure why it clarifies it's Chinese, but alright, light it. Oh, here, let's use this match. I like the fire effect for it. That's pretty cool. Oh, dude. That's actually really dope. Yeah, it's a little like Chinese candle or whatever it's called. Alright, next up we have the Chinese lantern. Oh. Chinese lantern.
I'm hurt.
Oh! It hit me! It came from the side and hit me! I didn't mean that! Damn it, I'm gonna have to use Half-Life 3 again to kill me. Blow me up, man. Wait. Damn it! Lighting up fireworks within like 4 feet of you or whatever apparently is not a good idea. You have to get back there. Alright. Do I like combine these two together? Please. Oh! Oh, that's dope. That's dope. Okay. Can I send it off when it's... Dude! That's actually awesome. Here, let me toss it out there. Oh, it fell. Next up, we have Eye of Sauron. Access this to a wall. Profile, flag, do particle, color, camera. Access. Alright. Eye of Sauron. I think I did something wrong. Hold on. I guess that was the Eye of Sauron. Here, we'll just lay it on the floor for now. Shoot it down! Oh. I think it's pretty resilient, honestly. That was the Eye of Sauron. Kind of a sleeper, honestly. So. Dude, that looks so cool. What the heck? I didn't realize the energy ball looked like that. Next up, we have the magnesium candle. I'm not sure what the the correlation between the Chinese and the magnesium candles are, but they're pretty cool, honestly. I like how the candle actually was a candle, so. So next up we have the magnesium one. I'm not sure if it does something any like cool or not, but here we'll lit it real quick. Or not. It couldn't light. Oh, that's actually right out. Let me just chuck that over there, damn. That was that one. Now we have the neighbor hater. I was not expecting to make that sound. Now let's start with the law of the missiles. I'm not sure how this correlates at all to fireworks. We'll just send it into those towers right there, or just a building. Next up we have the medium one. Much fatter, it looks to be. Godspeed. I'm not sure that's gonna go. It's something. And lastly, we have the large one. Oh, it's gone. Or not. Okay, I guess it wasn't gone. And then we just have a sparkler. Pretty normal. Alright, now we're moving to the good stuff. Now we have the mortars. This is what I've been looking forward to. Now that we got these, let's set up our place a shell. Okay. We have, for the first one, we have 1mm shell number 1. See, that was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. Next up, shell number 2. Not smaller or bigger, so. Oops. We'll just like, no, don't unfreeze. Oh. Those are kind of cool. Number 3. Let's go. That was pretty good. That was pretty good. The red. Next up, we have this one, which I'm gonna assume is probably gonna be blue. Shit. This is probably going to be blue. Oh, fuck. Man! Rechargeo. Can I just like chuck this shit and it would like go off? Like, Alright, let's try that one more time. This one is going to be cool. Come on. Eat them up. Come on. Eat your fucking meal. Mmm. Yummy. Come on, go down. Oh! But that was that one. I fat fingered E and I blew my brains out with a fucking firework. How? Let's try it, but down here. Next up we have the. Next up we have the. That is not what I'm looking for. Sure. Next up we have the. This one. We have another one, which should be number 5, surprisingly. Brother, it's not that hard to get inside of a damn little tube. There we go. That moon is weird. Got a blue. Because blue means cool. Dude, if you ain't blue, you're a loser. Then we have number 6. Shell number 6 going in. I'm gonna have an aneurysm. Let's go for a number 6, please. Yes. Now, without staying in the way. Oh. That's pretty cool. And then we have the last one, number 7. Shove that in there. Bonk. What's that one gonna be? Jeez. It's like a yellow or a gold. That was pretty cool. Now we're moving on to the other cool stuff. The rockets. We have a lot of them. We have the gigantic rocket for 4th of July. Has like a little shiny head. Boom. Okay, so I need to get on top of a building for this. That was massive. It like flew longer too, so. Yeah, you know these are gonna be like, let's try doing that again. Oh my goodness. That is actually insane. Then we have a large rocket. Alright, I guess the large rocket is a no-go because for some reason it just decided to have a stroke. Here, let's try spawning that in. Try. Ah. Okay, this thing does not know when to quit bouncing around. Oh! Dude! Oh my gosh! Sorry for the technical difficulties. I guess the rockets are feeling rather not cooperative. That was a terrible idea. Okay. Large rocket. That's super cool, honestly. I like that one. Next up, we have the gigantic rocket. I don't know how to say it. Artichoke. Whoa, 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 whoa! What the? Dude, I want to sit in the sky, not on the ground. Cause like, dude, look at the way it like spits out like a little fire. What do you want to call it? Like a little pre-thing. We have another large rocket here. It has like a little glitter to it. Damn. That was another really good one. Oh my goodness! Oh. We have the Minecraft creeper. That's pretty cool. Here, I'll let off like a couple of those. You like. Can't see it very well because of the angle that we're at, but like, you know what I There you go. Next up, we have the
Half-Life
half.
3. After 9 years in development, hopefully it will have been worth the wait.
Called an Easter egg.
Half-Life 3. After 9 years in development, hopefully it will have been worth the wait.
Alright. We have large blue. That's what the B stands for. That is indeed large. Oh my goodness. Next up, we have the large B again. I'm guessing B probably stands for like bloom. Because Jesus. Those are massive. Then we have, looks like confetti? Sparkles firework. That is really beautiful, honestly. For a mod that's like, for a mod that's like decently old too, this holds up. This holds up. This is one of the main reasons I actually wanted to get Gmod was for this firework mod, and also some other stuff. Let me get a blanket because it's kind of cold in my room. We're reaching the 30-minute mark in the actual. Well, we're already past the 30-minute mark, but let's start speedrunning through these. All right, so we have this one. Oops. We have this one. Don't know what this one is, but that looked really good. I like that one. Next up. That's gonna be blue. That's really bright. No! That was another really good one. Oh, that was pretty simple. Bam, bam, boom. We got this thing. This one's gonna look good. Shit. This one's gonna look good.
I'm hurt.
Oh! I can't see. Oh, I'm gonna bleed out. I'm gonna bleed out. Alright, now that we're down here, let's get back up on top. Sorry for the inconvenience. The mod that makes it so I take genuine, like, damage. It's a bit annoying. Just a bit. I don't fucking care about this one anymore. It's bouncing around too damn much! Oh, shit. Oh! That's pretty cool. Damn. Oh, then we have the small fireworks. That's pretty sick. Wait, wasn't there one in, here? There we go. This is gonna make my life a little bit easier. So, boom, boom, boom. See if I can put these all in there without, like, killing myself.
I'm hurt.
Oh. Oh, but now I'm moaning like some weirdo.
I'm hurt.
Dude, this sucks. Now I have to kill myself. Why must this always be a pain? Let's get like a let's get this guy to kill me. Perfect. Okay. I had to double check it was playing the right song. I thought it was gonna be playing. Okay. Let's situate the rockets one more time. Starting with this one, this one, this one.
I'm hurt.
I'm gonna do a backflip in a minute. I'm gonna do a backflip. Alright. One more time. Let's get this. Set it down. Grab you. Put you close. It just decides to pop immediately. Oh my god. Alright, we'll have to do that later on, I guess. I'm gonna go out with a bang real quick. Fuzzies didn't go off. Oh. Alright, anyway. Let's go on with the special.
I'm hurt.
Okay. Going out with a bang one more time. All I want to do is see the firework. Okay. Here we go. Boom. That's pretty cool. Next one. Pretty good, pretty good. Next one.
I'm hurt. I'm hurt.
Next one, let's go. I'm gonna assume. Alright, nothing's fractured, luckily. We just got a contusion in our cranium. Should go away any second now. Next one we do have is the large white lotus. Where's the There it is. That is pretty large. Now we are going on to the Roman candles, the kind of a sleeper part of the show. That's pretty cool. Got the northern doohickey. That one only had like a 3 burst. What? Got this one. Pretty good. Next up we have the Archangel Roman candle. Oh, those shoot quite far. Pretty good, pretty good. Next up we have the Red Angle Evil Angel of Roman candle. Alright, let's go. Looks really cool, actually. I like how they weave around in the air. They go quite far too, honestly. Next up, and lastly, we have the Winter Grasp. Whoa! That is really cool. Little spiral that comes out. That's dope. Alright. Lastly, oh, that's all of them. We'll do a bomb review, actually. How about after this one ends? Hey, why not? After I upload this video, you guys will probably see a different map. I'll definitely record it after this. I will most definitely do a bomb review because bombs are cool. And if you think otherwise, go fuck yourself. I'm joking. But that concludes this video as scuffed and not really organized as it was. I hope you did enjoy it. I did enjoy the fireworks, even though I died from a good majority of the time of trying to set them up, possibly. I decided to, do it because it's like a curveball. I'll make a bomb review, actually in a couple minutes, after this one's done. But remember, like and subscribe if you want to see more. Just say so. Just say so inside of the description or whatever it's called. Like, just say you want to see more, and I'll see. Hold on, let me just setting up like a final little stand here. Show trick, and then we'll get some dancing dragons. Let's get like a final like. No! Oh, oh! We'll go with like a final bang. Happy, I guess, like early 4th of July, if you consider it that, as well. We'll do like a... Well, like, fuck it. I'll throw everything. I'm gonna throw everything everywhere. Put like a couple of those. Fuck, I don't know. Put a couple of those in there. Oh, God. Give it the true American, like... Okay.
Half-Life 3. After 9 years in development, hopefully it will have been worth the wait.
We got some of these. We got some of these. Got a couple of those. Couple of these. We'll throw in some like flares. Mosaic. We'll put a couple of rockets in there. Couple neighbor haters. Then we'll get more rockets. Oh shit. That was a anticlimactic end, but here I'll do like a. I wish I'd set something up like prior, but I never did I? Who gives a fuck? Fireworks are cool, and it's cool to mess with them if you are having adult supervision on deck. Oh, that's bright. Oh shit, I think my game just crashed.